to my channel how to start SEO career on freelancing sites and earn online through this SEO skill. Become an SEO expert today. Master SEO tools and strategies. Introduction to SEO. Join now and start earning. Get your freelance job. Start 5 billion. Sell the affiliate. Everyone gets paid commission. How can I learn SEO for freelancing? How to start your freelance SEO career? Freelance SEO career. Thinking of starting to put your SEO skills to good use to a side gig? Here are some tips or resources for how to start a freelance SEO career. Even if we begin to take on the SEO tasks all the above, if you have substantial SEO knowledge and had always wanted to be SEO professional, it's worth considering going to the freelance way. We bet you might have even given this thought at least once. A freelance SEO career can be fulfilling experience in terms of the kind of work, contribution and finance as well. The understanding of your SEO expertise. Get a website of your list services before establishing. List yourself on freelancing. Look at the leading SEO freelancers out there. Commit to a work schedule or stick to it. Begin with a small budget. Garner reviews. Sell your freelance services with complete dedication. Keep adding a new set of skills. When you start your freelancing career, you will gain a lot of working experience. However, since all your working time will be involved in completing and working on projects on your clients, you might run out of new skills, technical knowledge that has just happened to bless the market. Look at what leading SEO freelancers are doing. List yourself on freelancing portals. How to start your freelance for SEO. Commit to a work schedule. How to become a SEO freelancer in 48 hours. How to understand, like our video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.